Replicas of the Black Nazarene were paraded in Quiapo, Manila today, 2 days before the annual religious festivity. Thousands of devotees joined the procession that started and ended at Plaza Miranda in front of the Quiapo Church. Jervis Manahan reports.
Erwin Castillo has been a devotee of the Black Nazarene for almost 4 years. But today is special because their own replica of the Nazarene, whom they fondly call Senor Lucas, will take part in this year's parade. Their group is from Caloocan, and they started walking to Quiapo as early as 10 in the evening last night. Their walk lasted for more than 3 hours, and they arrived in the vicinity of the Plaza Miranda even before dawn.
Bali, umabot po din po kami kanina ng mga nasa 20 persons. Then palitan naman po na habang naglalakad kami, habang binabaybay namin na papunta dito sa Quiapo Church, nag-rosary naman po kami.
Senor Lucas literally stands out from the rest of the replicas because of its height that reaches 14 feet. This is the largest replica and even larger than the main Black Nazarene image. The system is orderly. The marshals are all on their positions to maintain security in the area.
Kung ano yung naging ruta nung nakaraang taon, yun na din naman diretso labas na kung saan pupunta yung mga replika nila, doon na sila idediretso yun pagkatapos ng bendisyon ng replika. Pero mamaya kasi, yung mismong replika ng Quiapo, ng simbahan, ilalabas yun yung ipoprosesyon.
The procession started at exactly 2 in the afternoon. To make things easier, the priest climbed the footbridge to give out his blessings. Devotees carrying Black Nazarene images endured the heat just to receive holy water. After this, the parade slowly started. The larger replicas were put atop trucks and pickups. But there were some carried by groups of men. The route of the procession were all close to traffic because of the enormous number of devotees. But this is significantly lesser than the expected number of people on the traslasyon to be held on Saturday. The procession is expected to last until 10 this evening. For the People's Television, this is Jervis Manahan.